Okay, so for this part A, we are completing the square. Coefficient of x squared is 2, so we need to factorise by taking this 2 out, because we can only complete the square when we've got a coefficient of x squared is 1. So 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. I'm just going to leave this 9 here. Okay, so then we halve the 5.5, just 2.75. So we're taking off minus 2.75 times minus 2.75, which is 7. You might want to deal in fractions. I've just got minus decimals for now. We'll multiply everything inside the square brackets by 2. Simplify. If you have this in fraction form, so either of these answers would do. Either this one or this one is fine. So we've got the curve C has equation y equals 2 bracket x minus 3 squared minus 11 bracket x minus 3 plus 9. The point P is the minimum point on C. Find the coordinates of P. Now, B is related to A. I don't know if you've noticed here, but this is 2x squared minus 11x plus 9. And here it's exactly the same. Instead of x, you've got your x minus 3. So what this is really, it's a mixture of finding the minimum point and functions when you are subtracting inside the function. It's kind of those two topics together. So let's look back at our original part A. When we complete the square, that can give us a minimum or a maximum point of a graph. This is the minimum point here because it's a positive 2x squared. If you can remember, for the minimum point, you flip that sign for your x coordinate, and this minus 6.125 is your y coordinate. So that is the minimum point of this graph here for this function. 2.75 and minus 6.125. But this function here is, if this was f of x, this would be f of x minus 3, wouldn't it? Which means it's a translation 3 to the right. So we're moving this graph 3 places to the right. So let me just kind of show you here. There's the graph with those coordinates. We're moving it 3 to the right. So if you can see, the y coordinate wouldn't change. To find the coordinates of P is that minimum point. The y coordinate would not change, would it? It would be still minus 6.125. What would happen to your x coordinate? Well, we're moving 3 to the right. So we just simply need to add 3 to your 2.75, so it's 5.75.